more than 150 years, Purdue University has been dedicated to making a world-class education accessible to all. We are inspired by a core land-grant mission to provide a learning platform that propels our state, our nation, and the world forward. For decades, Purdue University has opened its doors to the instigators of progress, the inventors of patents, companies, life-saving drugs, works of art, and Nobel Prize-winning discoveries. And today, our reach extends far beyond our red brick exteriors. Purdue University offers more than 200 high-quality, top-ranked online master's and doctoral degrees, graduate certificates, and other flexible courses for today's working professionals. Purdue University is empowering the next generation of innovators to take their next giant leap from anywhere with online programs that meet you where you are. Take your first step now at purdue.edu/online.